Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. So this is short messages and energy check-ins and prediction messages readings. Okay? So, yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? And, yeah, ganun din pagdating kay perception of light. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong po dito sa ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet, sa ating evil eye ring, and sa ating evil eye necklace, message lang po. Okay? So, yeah. Shuffle ko lang itong ating cards. Okay. So, let's start with air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua, anong message for you? Anong kailangan mong marinig? Kailangang malaman? Tingnan natin. Wala bang nag-flip? Parang pakaramdam ko may nag-flip. Okay, wala. Okay. So, the Empress in reversed. The Ace of Cups. Some of you may paparating na new love offer. Pero I don't know if you're ready. Okay? So, parang hindi handa yung iba. Yeah, if you're not ready, maybe nakafocus yung iba sa inyo sa healing. Okay? Some of you, kung ikaw, ito specific hindi to para sa lahat. Iba sa inyo, may nakita ko ditong parang miscarriage. Okay? Miscarriage. May chance na pwedeng ngayong buwan, magkakaroon ulit. Or may chance ulit. Okay? May chance ulit. May paparating ulit. Okay? So, syempre, you need to heal. Heal. Okay? What else? May nanghihinayang ditong person from your past. Parang ngayon lang niya napapagtanto lahat-lahat. Okay? Like nasayang ka niya. Ngayon sila nagkakaroon ng sabihin nating matinong emosyon pagdating sa'yo. Okay. The Three of Pentacles in reverse and the Three of Swords. Oh, energy ito ng third party. Okay? Meron ditong mawawala sa grind, mawawala sa growth, sa progress because of this. Okay? If ever, kung kayo dito, mga air sign, is may mga ganitong sinisimulan, no? The Ace of Cups, may sinisimulan kayong ganitong issue. Asahan nyo. Oo, asahan nyo na mawawala kayo. Kung trend ka, mawawala ka sa railway. Oo. Okay? So, di ka makakatakbo niyan. Bakit po? Abay, syempre. Nagtanong ka pa ng bakit po, no, 'di ba? So if you're hindi naman ikaw ito, kung ibang tao ang gumagawa, excuse me, sila yung parang magkakaroon ng issue pagdating sa development, pagdating sa improvement. Yan. Okay, hang on. Okay. So, yeah. Falling out of love. May naririnig akong ganyan. The Five of Cups. If there is regrets in the near future, okay? Kung meron kayong ginagawa ngayon na hindi maganda pagdating sa relationship na meron kayo, ha? Okay, the Five of Cups is here. This is regrets. This is disappointments. Okay. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. Ano to? Babalik sa'yo. Okay, kung anong ginagawa mo, vice versa, good or bad, yun ang babalik. Okay? So, yun ang sinasabi na parang karma. So, some of you, I don't know, pwedeng may malalaman ka something disappointing. Okay? Something disappointing. Pagdating sa, so ngayon pwedeng may arguments. Okay? A lot of, nakakita ko dito ng stress. I don't know why, air signs, ha? Stress. Andyan yung problem. Pero, bakit pa ganyan ang pangit? Ayan, see? The Six of Cups in reverse. I don't know, tong Six of Cups in reverse na to is something from the past. Meron sigurong someone or something from the past ang pwedeng maka-distract sa'yo. Ha, air signs. So, if ever na i-welcome mo to, damay-damay ka. Okay, damay ka sa kung anong meron dito sa taong to or kung sino man to. Okay, kung i-welcome mo to sa buhay mo, lalo na kung ito is someone, pwedeng an ex, going back. Okay, trying to reach out, mga ganyan, and then i-welcome mo. I don't know, kasi parang mahahawa ka sa kanyang energy. Yung energy niya is someone na parang low vibration, something low. No, so mahahawa ka. So don't let them, no, na makapunta or makapasok, no, sa inyong energy. Don't welcome, no, yung kanilang energy, pangit to. So I think this is a goodbye for you. Yeah, see the Five of Swords. This is energy of conflicts. Okay. So, pero kung wala man, sabihin natin kung ikaw mismo ang gumagawa ng kanigaan sa buhay mo. Ha? Kung ikaw yung parang walang plano, stuck ka lang, wala kang gustong malamang na parang bago sa buhay, parang ganyan. Stuck ka hanggang future, hanggang dyan ka lang. Kapag hindi mo bibigyan yung sarili mo pagkakataon na mag-grow. Okay? Minsan ganyan eh. Okay? Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. Don't forget. Okay, na mag-like ng ating video. Okay. So, anong meron for you? Fire signs. Message for fire signs. Excuse me. The Justice in reverse. The High Priestess. Okay. Pwedeng may malalamang secrets. Pwedeng may malalaman na some of you, this is infidelity. May gumagawa dito ng hindi maganda. At alam nila yon sa sarili nila. Pwedeng Libra, pwedeng Cancer. May marireject. Okay? May marireject in general. The Five of Swords. Conflicts. Sa pera. The King of Pentacles in reverse. Or pwedeng sabihin natin conflict with a boss. Okay? Conflict with a boss. Or sa workplace. Sa business mo. May konting conflict. Manage your kaperahan properly. Okay? The Sun in reverse. Bakit ganitong energy? The Two of Wands. There's a lot of confusion. Pwedeng andyan yung problem. Okay? Problem. Pero, hindi mo kailangan na parang tambayan. Okay? So, alam mo naman, problem hindi dapat ginagawang permanent, no? Oo. Sabi nga minsan, tambayan mo pero alisan mo agad. Okay, alam ba yun? Pagtambay, minsan, pagtambay, konting oras lang, no? Palilipasin, pagdating sa mga problema, tapos lalayasan na, aalisan na. Kaya I think universe is trying to test you. Universe will try. Okay? Pwedeng itatry ka ni universe sa mga susunod na araw. Okay? Pero I think magiging okay rin naman after. Okay, eventually magiging okay rin naman. So, I guess sa mga nangyayari or sa mga mangyayari, may mga lesson kang malalaman, may mga lesson kang matututunan afterwards. Okay? So, there. Okay. Wag lang tayo palaging titingin sa negative side ng isang sitwasyon. Always, merong positive yan. Okay? So, yeah. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. What's with you? Oops. Okay. So, water signs. Anong message for you? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. The King of Pentacles in reverse. The Ace of Cups in reverse. Someone will reject an offer. Lalo na pagdating sa love. Okay, meron din ditong tatalikod sa'yo. They're not, emotionally, like open pagdating sa'yo. Someone, pwedeng Capricorn, pwedeng water sign. Okay? So, nandoon lang yung attraction, I guess. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi nyo na ginugusto na magstay sa kung saan kayo nagwo-work or hindi nyo nagugustuhin pa. No? So, nakakuha ko dito ng resignations, mga ganyan. Okay? Pwedeng yung boss mo may masabi sa yung hindi maganda, like below the belt. Yeah. Okay. Specific po yan, ha? The Four of Swords in reverse and the Three of Pentacles. Brainstorming. May naririnig akong ganyan. Something like merong mga meetings na mangyayari. Someone will share their secrets. Pagdating sa, secrets. The Moon. Something's hidden. Pero magiging something like makakakuha ng attention, may makakapansin, mga ganyan. Yeah. May makakapansin. Some of you may mawawala. May mawawala na gamit. May magagawang hindi maganda pagdating sa workplace. Or in general. May makakaligtaan yung iba sa inyo. Okay. Some of you hindi pa rin ganun ka-open or responsible when it comes to relationship. Hindi pa rin actually. So, what else for you, water signs? Eight of Cups. Walking away. The Two of Wands in reverse. Meron kayong mga lalayuan. Meron kayong mga iiwan. Yeah. The Judgment in reverse. Some of you, this is an ending of a cycle. May gumagawa dito ng something like may binabalikan para mas makausad. Okay? May binabalikan para mas makausad. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. May nasabi ba ako kanina na may marireject? Kasi mayroong marireject in general. Work man, gawa mo man, anything. Pwedeng may ma-reject. Okay? So, some of you, when it comes to your kaperahan, in the near future, nakakita ko ng parang growth. Okay? Like, may possibility ng leveling up. Parang ganyan, stepping up pagdating sa kaperahan mo in general. Okay? So, I guess, pwedeng pagdating sa workplace, may energy ng promotion because of the Eight of Cups. That is, okay, like, leveling. Parang, from this level to this level. Like that. Okay? So, there. Next is Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, anong message for you guys? Excuse my voice. Wala na agad akong boses. Ang aga-aga. Wala na agad. I don't know. Kasi, yeah. I guess, kailangan ko talaga ng isang araw na pahinga pagdating sa boses. 'Di ba? Ayan, dami ko kasing kausap everyday. Okay, Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Anong message for you? Okay. The Devil in reverse. Capricorn energy. What's with that? The Eight of Wands in reverse. Avoid toxic. Some of you, meron kayong talagang ini-ignore, like as simple as message. Like, hindi mo hinahayaan yung sarili mong kausap mo palagi. Yung isang yan, kung ano man. Okay? Alam mo kung paano lumaro. No? Alam mo kung paano lumaro. Yeah. Alam nyo kung paano kayo gustuhin. Maybe, iba sa inyo, meron kayong hindi re-replyan, papahabol, parang ganyan yung energy. Yeah, trying to avoid, see? Meron kayong parang tatalikuran. Some of you, parang, this is like a pause, no? Oo, parang pause. P-A-U-S-E. Okay? Sa mga katoksikan na nangyayari, pause mo muna, ha? Oo. If you're, talagang stressed na, parang ganyan, sa kahit anong situation, pause mo muna. Oo, pahinga-hinga muna. Oo, hinga-hinga ng kaunti, earth signs, ha? Huwag mong ilagay ang sarili mo lagi sa isang stressing na situation. Okay? Oo. So, what else? The Four of Cups. So, yeah, may ignored. I don't know, yeah, iba sa inyo may kailangang i-ignore. Ano to? The Nine of Swords in reverse. Iba sa inyo talaga may kailangang i-ignore para hindi kayo ma-stress. May kailangang hindi pansinin para hindi kayo ma-stress. Okay? Hindi mo kailangang bigyan ng sarili mo ng stress, earth signs. Okay? So, yan, napakasimple ng tawag dito, ng message na ito. This is so specific. Kailangan mo i-ignore. Okay? Lahat ng nagbibigay sa'yo ng sakit sa ulo, ganyan. Yeah. May nag-iisip dito kung iniisip mo rin ba sila, ganyan. Okay? Kasi pwedeng ang pinapakita mo, you're not into them, or hindi na nila nararamdaman na talagang nakadikit ka sa kanila, parang ganyan, no? Yeah, napapaisip tong mga to, pwedeng water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, air sign is Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Alam nyo, kaka-ignore nyo, nakaka-attract kayo. Ayan, the Ace of Wands. Okay? Ace of Wands. Yeah, see, the Queen of Wands. You're attracting people. Yeah. May naa-attract sa inyo a fire sign. Okay? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yan. Some of you, pagdating sa physical, may mga, nakakuha kayo a lot of attraction. Alam niyo yung energy ng parang napapadoble tingin, doble tingin, napapatingin ulit, parang ganyan. Ang tawag doon, alam nyo, ito ha, meron ditong energy na kunyari hindi ka nila iniisip. May nagkukunyari ditong hindi ka nila iniisip, pero actually, ikaw lang yung gusto. Ikaw lang, ito na naman tayo. Yes, kunyari hindi sila naapektuhan every time hindi kayo magkasama or hindi kayo magkausap, mga ganyan. Kunyari wala lang. Pero yes. Na ang laki, ang lakas ng attraction, no, mo pagdating sa kanila. Yeah. Some of you, may mga bagong matututunan. May mga bagong aaralin. Makakuha, ang daming attention dito, Earth signs. Pero I don't know, you're like suplado or suplada. Yeah, may mga ganyan. Kaya parang, I don't know, parang mas nakaka-attract. Like, yeah, hindi ko naman sinabi nakaka-attract yun, pero may mga energy dito na mas na-attract sila sa'yo kapag whenever you're ignoring them, no? Mga ganyan. Meron dito someone gusto kang makaano. Yes. Hindi ko alam kung sino yan. I can't. The Six of Swords in reverse. Ano yon? Someone from the past. Okay, yeah, maybe may mga tao or something, someone na pwedeng nagkaroon na kayo ng gap, no? So, ayokong mag-focus lang din sa someone like a past person, no? So, may mga tao na pwedeng may gap between the two of you, then, may attraction sila pagdating sa'yo. See? The sun. Diba? Binubuklat ko lang. The Chariot. Cancerian. Okay, so, yun ang ating reading for you, all signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.